and the governor to the floor, the Illinois boys. Welcoming the NASA president, Mr. Boniface Onyebuchi Ebusuwa and the lawyer Angela Ebusuwa, and the governor to the floor, the Illinois boys. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. B.O. Ebusuwa, the honorable president of the National Association, the Illinois boys. Yes, maybe, I just guessed that maybe that we are going to witness the governor dance. Maybe, just maybe. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the Illinois boys, ladies and gentlemen. Illinois boys are here. They're done.